say love, it is a river that drowns the tender reed. Some say love, it is a razor that leaves your soul to bleed. Some say love, it is a hunger, an endless aching need. I say love, it is a flower, and you, it's only seed. It's the heart afraid of breaking that never learns to dance. It's the dream afraid of waking that never takes the chance Guess things always work out like they're supposed to. And I'm not one to doubt what's in plain view. So this is where my life is meant to lead me, right into the very soul of you. You look at me, I wonder what you're thinking. You don't say much, but still I feel your heart. So lay your little head upon my shoulder. I know that I am blessed just playing this part. If I could just hold this place in time, always have your heart right here with mine. Wish I could forever be your one and only. But I know your spirit will fly free, so I'll be content to let you be. Just let me hold you for a while. And I know I'll always be there in your smile. When I think back on all I thought I wanted, well, I must admit you didn't cross my mind. No. But now that you are here, I can't help wondering how I ever could have been so blind. Every day I fall harder and harder, deeper and deeper, stronger and stronger every day, just more and more in love. If I could just hold this place in time, always have your heart right here with mine. Wish I could forever be your one and only. But I know your spirit will fly free, so I'll be content to let you be. Well, just let me hold you for a while. And I know I'll always be there in your smile. Yes, I know I'll always be there in your smile. Well, I know I'll always be there in your smile.